Rate of chemical reaction. When you use the word rate, always rate stands for change in a measurable property with respect to time. So we always remember this in science. Normally, rate is the word we use. Change of some property, a measurable property. If I take any property with respect to time divided by time, that becomes your rate. Now we have to measure the reaction, the change that is taking place in a chemical reaction. If you can measure the change in the chemical reaction with respect to time, then that becomes a rate of a chemical reaction. The question arises here is, how do we measure the change in the chemical reaction? How can we assess reaction is in process, change is taking place, reactants are completely reacting to each other to form products, our products are continuously forming in the course of time? This can be assessed with respect to two factors. What are the two factors we can take is, I can measure the change in the or the progress in the chemical reaction with respect to the concentration of reactants or the concentration of products. So if I ask you to take this particular one, if a chemical reaction is happening, reactant is converting into product. Let us take this reaction. Every time if I start with A moles of reactant and product is 0 at that time T is equals to 0, after some time T, the reactant becomes A minus X. Some X moles decompose from reactant side and that reflects from the product side. Now, the difference in this particular one, change, what is the change in the number of moles? If I ask the change in the number of moles, change is A minus of, or where we are taking this particular one, A minus X minus A, this one gets cancelled, which can be taken as minus X, change is equals to minus X. Here, change in with respect to products is X minus 0, which is equals to X. Now, when you talk about this particular one, change of number of moles per unit time. If I say change in number of moles, change in number of moles per unit volume, per unit volume is equals to change in concentration. We say this is change in concentration because number of moles by volume is nothing but molarity. Everyone knows this. So when you say, if I'm talking about change in number of moles per unit volume, it becomes change in concentration. Molarity is the concentration terms. So if I represent the change in this reactants, what is the change? Change in concentration of reactant. Change in concentration of reactant is equals to, concentration of reactant is equals to minus X. Same way, change in concentration of product, if I say, it is going to be plus X. Now, what is this minus and plus will be indicating? Minus, negative sign indicates decrease in the concentration, decrease in the concentration, plus the sign indicates increase in the concentration. If I neglect this particular sign into consideration, you see the negative sign indicating the reactant is consuming in the course of the chemical reaction. Plus is indicating the product is forming in the course of a chemical reaction. I can take this negative and positive sign. If I neglect the sign, the change in the concentration with respect to reactant or with respect to product per unit time, this can be taken as, the change in the concentration per unit time will be taken as rate of a chemical reaction. I can say this with respect to reactant. You can see what is the change with the reactant is equals to the change with respect to product, irrespective of the sign. The sign can be positive, sign can be negative, but the magnitude of the change remains constant, and that decides your rate of reaction. The rate, the change in the concentration of reactants or products per unit time is called rate of chemical reaction.